today.
Which is called Airplane 4, One Last Flight.
I'm guessing it's gonna be the last airplane game.
If the creator makes more, I'm actually pretty happy because I kind of like
Because
the
title is called Airplane 4, One Last Flight.
Yeah.
So I'm probably guessing this is the end of the...
But creator of Airplane, your games are pretty much amazing.
Yeah.
Me and my brother played all 3 of your games.
Mm-hmm. And they're awesome.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And pretty scary.
Yeah.
But still awesome.
Yeah. Okay, let's start.
Yeah, let's go to Gate A.
Yeah.
Gate A.
Yeah, Gate A.
Get A. Get in. Get in Gate A.
Ticket.
How do we get in?
I think we just
Okay,
wait.
I'm in.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I'll sit here. So that's all. Sit right next to me.
I want to stay here. Because
I'm sitting right next to you, Daniel.
Okay.
Have my baggage.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we're starting.
Yeah. Airplane 4 map.
Okay.
Okay. If this is not the last flight.
What the?
What?
Whoa.
What the?
What?
I got kicked out.
No! No! Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay, we're having technical difficulties.
It's okay. You can leave without me.
Oh. I already left.
Why?
What? Don't tell me you forgot.
Himena?
Today is the big day.
Himena.
Okay, I'm gonna leave.
Okay.
Hold on.
There's a game pass that you could be the monster.
I tried to save up Robux for that.
You didn't know even this game existed. How?
This cost 500 Robux.
Do you have that kind?
No.
Oh, I got the yellow.
I don't remember which one I got. Okay, let's go back.
I think you
Gate
got
A.
blue.
Gate A.
Okay.
Gate A.
Go, get in.
Yes.
Yeah. Gate A. Quick, timer's almost up. Wait, are we, is it only doing us?
No? I mean, yeah.
Okay, we're starting.
Yeah. Oh, we're doing what if one of my person.
Finally.
Did you get kicked out again?
No.
Okay, good. Bro, there's only one person with us.
That's a noof.
Yep.
And also, if we die, we'll try again tomorrow.
Yeah. We'll try again tomorrow if we die.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because guess what? My brother and sister got Robux. My little brother and sister. And me, I don't got any Robux.
Yeah.
Which is sad. Because I play less Roblox. Don't judge me.
Wakey wakey, eggs and bakey.
That's literally the word. Oh, yeah. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Today's the big day.
What?
What do you mean the big day?
Yeah.
Let me remind you. We're flying to Rohama. Get down here.
Wait. I'm sleeping in blue room.
I wish I could fall. I wish I could jump out of it.
Yes.
Oh my, not even done your baggage. Oh,
Oh, this one close to Dad. Is mine.
Okay.
wait a minute. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the baggage ready for breakfast are not going to the trip.
No.
Why, Dad? Why?
Yeah. Why?
Well, not our dad. I'll still make you burgers. How is that breakfast? No one even have breakfast in. Blue's story.
I guess he thinks that that I really want to go to the trip. What are we going to do? I don't even remember where my clothes
Brother
are.
here.
Alright, okay, here's what we're gonna do. You have 45 seconds to explore the house and to see where everything is. Then we start packing.
What I got?
A pink door leads to the pink room. That's in my room now. That's my room.
Okay.
What the?
Hmm.
What? A duck is in the toilet.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, that's disgusting. Why would the game do this to a little duck? Oh, there's a ducky T-shirt.
Mhm.
This is my room now, the pink one. Dude, bro, has a unicorn from Adopt Me on top. Okay, guys, time to start packing. Let's go.
Okay, find this out. Okay, it's a cookie.
Okay, find this item. Oh, it's in the pink room.
I have shoes.
Okay, here's my baggage. Okay, what I need.
Oh, we only need to get one item?
No?
Oh, really?
Yeah. We don't need to get one item.
We could get more
Yeah.
if we want.
No, I don't want them. I just want my cookie shirt.
But we
Hey,
gotta.
hey, that's my baggage.
I only could take one thing.
No!
What?
We didn't take the shoes.
Ugh.
The red shoes.
Wait, okay. I gotta get
Blue
the
shorts.
ducky.
I gotta get blue shorts.
I gotta get a ducky
Okay, I need to
t-shirt.
have black
Oh,
shoes.
oh, it's in the pink room.
Wait, the ducky?
Yeah.
I need
duck-
black shoes.
Duck t-shirt?
Okay,
Yeah.
it's not here.
Okay. Found the ducky.
I
Okay,
wanted
I got
it-
the duck.
I wanted the ducky T-shirt, but I guess I'll lend it to you.
Mhm.
Please let me have the unicorn T-shirt.
And also, if Pixels wants this, oh, great. Guys, and JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. How good it is.
If you didn't hear what my brother said, he said Pixel, if you're watching this, please tell him that how great JoJo is.
Guys, and JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.
Yeah.
Okay, I got red shoes with some yellow on it.
But still, that thing you just did on Corporate Edition is actually pretty funny. You thought it was Pilgrim Chef, but it was me, California Chef. I like that. I mean, plus,
Okay,
I
I
like
have
memes.
all three items that we needed in our bag. Oh,
Burger's almost ready.
why is there one that's toxic?
Talk-
Don't you mean moldy?
No, I'm just gonna call it toxic.
Let's
Yeah.
go to the backyard.
Reminds me of that.
Please let the one that's.
Okay, I got my baggage.
Me too.
I don't want that toxic burger.
Me too. I don't want. Please give me this one.
I want a regular burger.
Please give this one the moldy one. Don't
Oh.
give me the moldy. Instead of right next to Daniel.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm sitting right next to the radio. Oh.
Radio.
You thought it was a radio, but it was me. Radio.
Judgment Dio. Okay, I got to make sense.
Okay. Both
I
are
want
right
to say
sides.
my brother with my family.
Who wants the burger?
Take a seat at the picnic table.
Don't give me the moldy.
Thank you.
Don't you even dare.
Oh,
Yeah,
come
I
on.
got an original.
Okay, phew. Oh, we're safe.
Thank God.
Oh, I thought the pink one was gonna get the moldy.
Thank God.
Okay, all of us survive.
Yes.
Yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Hello, everyone. We're back
We're
on Block
back on
Block
it.
CS State Snooze.
Okay.
This is my radio voice, by the way, guys.
Okay.
Oh, it's the radio.
The radio. Oh.
Earlier this month, the president congratulates the brave heroes that saved his life. Hey, we're that heroes,
Yeah.
Daniel. We're that heroes.
Mhm.
So thank you. Whoa! Can you imagine? Yeah. Saving a plane? Yeah, like we just did, father. However, the president said in the conference, we has landed,
Guys,
the suspect has now disappeared. The police warns everyone in Roblox to be careful.
Okay.
They report anything that could be useful for the case.
Hey guys.
Let's give them something like that.
I'm gonna take a dip in the pool.
Oh my! Look at that time!
Whoa, what?
We're running late to our flight.
Oh no!
Oh no.
There's no way we can make it in time.
No, I want to go to Rohanna.
Unless... Follow me. Follow you.
Huh? Huh?
Follow that.
Oh,
Follow me.
first we need to go inside.
A minute, when you follow Dad.
We need to follow this random father that is in the airplane.
Oh yeah, I am right. Okay everyone, follow me. We have changed the leader. I have a bad feeling about this.
What do you mean you have a bad feeling about this? Well,
What the heck is...
Is it a big plane?
plane.
Or is it our own small plane?
Yeah, the garage? Wait for it. Wait for it.
Plane.
I present to you
Plane.
your very own small plane.
Oh, I got
Plane,
the middle plane. I got the middle
I got the front one.
I got the back one.
I got the
I'm
front.
sad. Yay!
That person left. The other person left.
We get to fight to catch another plane. That's funny.
It's a lot more fun than walking. Once you do that.
Yeah.
No one that so. Now we can't lose more time.
Wait, where's your plane? I'm pretty scared about this.
And we're already on our plane.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're totally
Wait.
fine.
Oh no. Okay. Wait, what are we doing? What are we doing? Wait, what do you mean by that? What do you mean other side?
Wait! We don't even know how to fly these.
Talk about a father.
We'll have to find out.
Wow.
Just be careful. with
Wow,
the
great.
obstacles.
Wow, great teacher.
Obstacles.
Wait, how do we even?
Wait. Oh no.
Oh,
Huh? Oh, we have to use these controllers. Wait. Oh no. Oh no. No.
Oh God.
What? Did you guys get hit?
Yeah, we do.
I'm not getting hit. Because I play Roblox every single day.
Oh God.
Up, quick. Ah, ow. Oh no.
Sorry, what the?
Why does our planes explode?
I'm dead. Oh God, Jesus, no.
What the? What's that mystery
Tommy
token?
Yamaji.
No, I wanted that mystery token.
Airport.
Ah,
Finally.
wait.
I'm trying to clap. Ah.
Who are you? Why are you going through hard walls? Who are you, Muriel?
God, I barely took in any damage.
Perfect. How's that perfect?
We almost died.
Yeah,
For-
Dad.
I forgot to tell you, flying overheat shortcut is illegal.
Yeah, it is, Dad.
But he saw you.
Bruh. Wow. Great dad.
Oh yeah, it is. Okay, guys.
I'm just gonna go for it. Hey.
Wait, isn't that this? Wait a sec. Watch before crossing.
Why is there a big car?
Truck. It's a truck.
Yeah. Why is there a big truck? A trucker.
Okay, guys,
Watch
just
before
stay here
crossing.
because we don't
Hey,
wanna
trucker.
die, right? Let's cross this.
No, I'm not.
Oh my god! Why is that so fast? Baggage drop.
Is it baggage? Attention, everyone! Flight
Wait, what?
16
Uh-oh.
to Roncomas is leaving in
Easy
5
to go
minutes.
through. I know. I don't care, lady.
Zaza, the luggage! We need to drop off our luggage. Oh yeah.
We need to drop our baggage first, guys. Okay, guys. Baggage. Boom.
Okay, we need to drop off our baggage.
Have a safe flight. Thank God.
Safe flight.
I have already gotten mine.
Okay, I got the ticket.
We do.
I already got my ticket.
No more waiting.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Who else wants to wait?
Take my ticket, lady.
Oh no! He went up!
That's our plane. Can you please take my ticket, please?
Hello.
Here.
You must be the last passengers flying to the Rohamas. Don't worry. You are just in time.
Thank God.
Phew.
Well, it's a ticket.
What the?
Huh?
What? Dad.
Something is not right. Please wait a minute.
No!
Oh no. I don't like how that sounds.
Jimena, you're worried of everything.
Oh no!
Oh no!
No security!
Oh no.
You are going to have to come with us.
Oh no! Our flight! No!
This is a problem, officers. Officers!
Wait, what?
All of you caught flying over a restricted area. You're in big
I
trouble.
got a bat.
Wait, what?
I got a bat.
Somebody yelled-
Do you have a bat?
Yeah.
It's like, get the bat.
Guys. When we find a
No!
general...
No, no, no! No, no, no! No, 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 no!
What happened?
No, the plane! That's a look! Wait, what airstrip?
Oh no! Oh no!
Hide.
It's Skeletox! It's Skeletox!
Wait, who's Skeletox?
Last one. My plan. Wait, isn't that guy? Wait. Who the?
Oh, I'm hiding.
Are you enjoying the show? Are you enjoying the show, human?
I'm gonna hide a tail.
Your world will be soon the property of the undead. How about go to Underworld? First thing, I use angry humans to keep me built an army, so I can take over the world by myself. Don't worry. You will be part of my army too.
Wait, what?
Wait, what? No.
What?
Guys.
See you in the afterlife.
Guys.
What?
When we find a general, pick.
Himana, don't spoil it.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, don't.
What the heck is wrong with you?
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay.
I should be answering you.
What is going on? Look, the cops are back. Let's ask them for help.
They don't look friendly to me.
I don't think those cops are friendly.
Yeah, I think we're done.
Attack! We're gonna die. Rip.
Yes.
Oh my god.
We're alive!
Look at Himena's health.
See for yourself. Look at my health.
Himena has lower health.
That was horrible. We gotta find a way to exit out of this place.
Look, some vents.
Guys, I have more health than you guys.
There's vents. Try to see if we could get up there and find something. This is the right vent. That's the correct one.
Are you sure that's the correct one?
Yeah, me.
Let me find one.
I'll do a different one. Oh no. Oh no.
No.
What? No.
I'm up again.
Guys, get your own vents so we could.
I'll call this one.
I call this one.
I called
Oh, I found the.
Look, guys. I found an open vent.
More like I did.
Yeah. More like Daniel did. Wait, guys. Okay.
Whoa.
Teleported me. What?
Baggage room.
We need to get out of here quick.
Wait. Where's Dad?
Hey, where is he? Look at this geezer.
Oh no.
He's getting infected.
You need to keep going.
He's
Without
getting
me.
infected.
Oh no.
Oh no! The skeleton curse is affecting Dad.
We will remember you.
Yeah, we'll always remember you.
We need to do something.
We have to do something, but first, let's get out of this place. Wait, Abby? What? Huh? I found a secret little badge. What's this? Secret for award.
I got it away.
Yes, I got out.
Is that you? Is that him? He's.
He's back!
Wait, guys,
It's General Poncho.
guys.
It's been so. It's been.
It's been so long.
Hey, no copyright. We don't want to get copyright striked. Don't you ever dare do that.
Sorry, I just wanted to... Oh no, I think Himena might be dead.
Yeah, I might be dead.
Yep, but still, it's been a while.
Wait, which one did you go through? The one with the question mark on top?
No, it's on the top one.
Oh,
Himena, you don't need the question mark thing, okay?
Also, my hands are literally sweating right now.
Okay. Himena, look! It's him!
yes!
Looks like I'm late for the party.
It's...
What? Who are you?
We know who are you.
Mhm.
Who
I'm
are you?
Poncho, ex-general of the Robloxia States Army. Wait, what?
What? I heard from you in the news. Were you not supposed to be dead?
Yeah.
I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years, since the world depended on it. I had to fake my death.
Ooh!
We're the only ones left. Oh, we're the only ones? and destroy Skeletox before the bad energy consumes us.
Oh no.
Yeah, I can tell that.
Yeah, I can tell
We're
that.
almost dead.
We need to do this for our dad.
Yes, for our fake dad.
Mhm.
For Robloxian dad. It's time for the hero then. Follow me.
Okay.
Okay.
Follow General Pancho.
Okay. Follow General Poncho.
I have to go here. Who was that?
There. Look that way. Who in the...
Who are you?
Mysterious figure.
It's someone else.
Be careful.
Hmm?
Yeah.
He doesn't look infected.
Where does he look for me? Johnny? John? Is that you, John? Hello, John.
Ronald?
Ronald!
It's Ronald!
It's Ronald!
We remember him!
Mhm.
No way! You're supposed to be dead!
Yeah.
Aren't you supposed I guess we're both supposed to be dead. But here we are. This is my
Oh
voice for
my-
Ronald. When my dark side attacked the presidential plane, we got shot in the face. That made my curse become weaker. The only way I completely be free by killing Skeletox. I still don't trust you. You could be lying to us. You're supposed to be part of the mission. Well, I'm still going to do it, General. Come with me. There's no way my team is going with you.
Do we have to pick sides?
Yeah, you do. General, I vote the general. Damn, did you vote Ronald?
Yes. JK.
You vote General Poncho, right?
Yeah.
I guess that's our voted General Poncho. I mean,
No.
Ronald.
We choose to go with General Poncho.
Don't stay out of our way, Ronald. We're saving the world.
Maybe this is the way for the good ending?
Yeah, it is.
Really?
Why would you spoil it for us?
I don't know, okay?
Oh no. Oh no. GG. GG.
Guys, I think you have to go help me.
End of this mate.
Okay. Wait, a maze?
Oh no,
What the-
no, I'm terrible
what
at
the-
mazes. I'm terrible.
What the heck?
Guys, I think you have to go help me.
Okay. Oof. Oh
I'm scared. I'm scared.
no! Mm-mm.
I think you guys have to go help me.
Wow.
The other airplane stories are so easier.
I think it's this way. Oh, I found it. Sissa, where are you?
Yeah, we're
Oh.
here.
Where?
With General.
Oh.
How
there he
did
is.
that General?
No, Humana died.
Alright,
Yes, this became infected.
Actually, no, guys, I have to be dead. Yeah,
No.
I'm dead. Me
what
dead.
is this place?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna
Looks
watch
like an
you.
evil Altair. It's like Skeletox.
Mhm.
Someone
Back to
must have
lobby.
some
Going back to the
Skeletox.
lobby.
Probably.
Guys,
Looks like it's still off.
guys.
What is with airplanes in this story?
Oh.
Oh god. Oh no. Oh god.
Oh.
Jesus.
Yeah,
Wait, how did General Poncho get here?
I don't know.
Ah,
Is he becoming infected?
What is this
Oh,
place?
no, he's not.
what is this?
I want the sword. Aw.
Oh God!
Ronald! No!
You are right, General.
What happened?
Wait. Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh my! Pilot Kylie? I thought she was dead. Ah!
What the? Wait, who's this one then? Jack?
And that guy.
Jack.
Pilot Kelly, she's back!
Yeah.
From Airplane 2,
Thank you.
I think. I have the sword. I'll be the sword of stone.
Oh.
I guess we all get the sword. Get out of here, General. It's a trap. It's too late.
Oh no, it's Skeletalks. It's Skeletalks!
Oh my God.
You got that. You got that.
I've harvested enough sacred souls.
Whoa. Oh. Oh God.
My full power.
Ah.
This is gonna be an epic Sephiroth battle. Wait, then I got the easiest way to get souls together.
Oh, I got the blue spawner. Okay.
I just need Ronald because I didn't have enough power to do it myself. Wow, talk about being lazy. But now I do. I get ready to be harvest.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh no.
Oh!
Bruh.
We're dead. You're dead.
Yep.
Well, I guess that's the end.
No, not yet. No, General. Oh.
Well, I'm dead.
Oh no.
I'm dead.
Bruh, he's so scary.
Why did I even choose?
GG. Oh, never mind.
So I was like, what kind of... No!
What the? What's he doing?
I left the game.
Disconnected.
Well. How do we kill Skeletalks? Do you use Baldus?
See you last week.
Oh. Do we have?
But guys, we are gonna do 2
Yeah.
videos. I mean 2 Roblox games.
Oh, I'm killing him.
Oh my God! You're Beat his.
Oh.
I can't.
Oh, these rocks are for him to stun him.
I can't really say that word. Beat his butt, young Midoriya.
Okay.
You hear me?
Mhm.
Come on, Dale. Beat his butt. Beat his butt, young Midoriya. Please. Beat his butt, young Midoriya. Also, the reason why I didn't say the other word because I'm 11. Also, beat this punk, young Midoriya. Beat the skeleton. Beat this evil skeleton king, young Midoriya. Don't ask why I kept calling you young Midoriya, even though you're not Zuko Midoriya. I'm not even All Might.
Oh my dirt. Oh no! Darn. Wait, can I continue?
No, you need Robux.
Oh, I need 14 more.
Oh, what?
That's Bobby.
Why?
Well, that's gonna be the
Well,
end.
wait. There's someone.
Oh, so 2 videos. I mean 2.
Well, we have to
Daniel,
end.
I want to.
Yeah, we must end this.
Okay, bye.